everyone. A real quick video to show you how I can find my subsidies for the heat pump. So first we go on the website Klima agency, is the official website of Luxembourg for the subsidies. Then here I click on heating for the heat pump. I choose my municipality. So for the example, we take Dudelange. This is the project. Is it for a house or apartment? I select the house. Then I begin my simulation and I select air to water heat pump. If I have also an old boiler with oil, mazout, I can add to my selection the oil boiler, removal bonus, which is 1,500 bucks. So I come back to add to my selection, and we have on the right a calculator here. I click on it, and now I can see all the subsidies that I have. So I have the subsidy for the replacement of the oil fossil boiler. Here we have the adaptation bonus, also a new bonus which is called tripartite, and energy supplier subsidies with Eno Prime. So the total amount for the subsidies is 20,000. We have 14,000 subsidy from the state. We've got 3,500 from the municipality, but each municipality is different. And we've got here the 2,500 euro energy supplier. So now I'm gonna export it with a PDF. And here we've got the official document with all the subsidies.